England vs India ODI Series 2026 First ODI match. Both team best playing 11 and match details. Date 14 July 2026. Time 3:30 p.m. Venue England Cricket Stadium. England team best playing 11. Number 1 Ben Duckett. Number 2 Josh Butler. Number 3 Harry Brook. Number 4 Joe Root. Number 5 Jacob Bethel. Number 6 Will Jacks. Number 7 Sam Curran. Number 8 Liam Dawson. Number 9 Jofra Archer. Number 10 Adil Rashid. Number 11 Shakib Mohammad. Indian team best playing 11. Number 1 Rohit Sharma. Number 2 Shubman Gill. Number 3 Virat Kohli. Number 4 Shreyas Iyer. Number 5 KL Rahul. Number 6 Shivam Dube. Number 7 Akshar Patel. Number 8 Kuldeep Yadav. Number 9 Jasprit Bumrah. Number 10 Harshit Rana. Number 11 Arshdeep Singh.